It's Jeff from Rexing. Today we'll be showing how to simply install your Rexing dash camera. First up, find a place to mount your camera where it has full vision of the road. Now, once you've mounted the camera, you'll want to run the wiring towards the fuse box, making sure to hide the wire under the floorboard or headboard. Depending on the type of car you have, this process may vary a little. Speaking of the fuse box, let's get wired up. Find the correct fuse type. Use a switched fuse if you need the camera on when your car is on. Use a hot fuse if you need the camera running at all times. With the fuse plugged in, make sure to attach the ground cable to the grounded bolt near the fuse box. Finally, connect your dash cam and power it up. It's that simple. Take some time to explore the new features. Rexing is always innovating. That's it for today. Let us know if you have any questions. It's time to hit the road.